Yo YouTube, just a really quick video today to show you how to get free Nintendo gift card codes in 2025. You can get free Nintendo eShop codes up to $100 in value, and this is going to save you a bunch of money because these gift cards are of course pretty expensive. And yeah, this is basically going to allow you to get a digital code that you can redeem in the eShop, and it's going to supply you with a $100 balance to spend on anything you want. So you can literally purchase games and what have you for your Nintendo Switch using this Nintendo eShop code. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. You can see I'm using a mobile phone, so make sure you have your mobile phone to hand, have an internet connection, and you've got to go to www.robotcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys. Robot coupons. Open up the internet and type this website. And this is an awesome website that I discovered. They have tons of pages. You can see they probably have 100+ pages, ranging from gift cards to game codes and what have you. So go to the search bar here and search for Nintendo gift cards. And this is the page you need to find, guys, Nintendo gift cards and codes. And you can get a $100 eShop free Nintendo gift card code. And there's a couple of different options as well. Here you can get free games and Switch Online. But these codes are limited. So when you select your coupon code, you will need to unlock it. Now, the process of unlocking your code takes a few minutes. You're going to see this count up to 100%. I'm going to cancel this. I don't want to waste a gift card code for this video. But you're going to see a new page and it will tell you how to unlock your free Nintendo gift card code. If this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons, you will likely need to complete a couple of tasks. These can be things like free surveys or free mobile games. Just fully complete the instructions and your code will be fully unlocked. It will take you about 5 minutes, but it is well worth it. That's going to get you $100 free Nintendo gift cards. So just head on over to Robot Coupons and navigate your way to this Nintendo gift card codes page. Select your code, make sure you fully unlock your code, and these stars will be removed and you can go ahead and redeem it. So enjoy, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.